Hello my dreamers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved these beautiful curls using this amazing diffuser by InStyler. Thank you so much to InStyler for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how I diffuse my hair and what products I use to prevent frizz and still maintain volume and definition. I will be leaving a link to this blow dryer in the description down below, and you can use my code on the screen right here to get some monies off. Before we get started, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get started. Tip number 1, style your hair in the shower. So what I do is I just put all my hair products in the shower and then I wrap up my hair in a microfiber towel. So step number 2, invest in a microfiber towel. This will change your entire curly hair routine. If you use a regular cotton towel, you will see a lot of frizz and not much definition in your hair. You can find these at Walmart, at Target, at TJ Maxx, on Amazon. I will leave links to everything that I mentioned down below in the description box. Step number 3, invest in a good quality hair dryer. I can't stress this enough. So today I want to share with you guys the diffuser I'm obsessed with right now. This is called the Turbo Max. So Turbo Max is the fastest blow dryer, period. Period. It doesn't get better than this. I love InStyler's products so much. They have seriously changed my hair game. So here's a closer look at the Turbo Max, and when I say it's the fastest dryer, period, like they got it on the box, so you know it's true. Alright, let's get up close and personal. Look at this beautiful design. I'm obsessed. It looks like a diamond, and then you look at the back and it's a shiny blue light illuminating. I love that. Anytime you turn it on, this light turns on. As you can see, you can detach the diffuser, and this diffuser is sold separately, just a disclaimer, but I definitely recommend getting it. You have 3 different settings that you can control from the back. There's the heat setting, there's the fan setting, and then we'll get into the ion setting later on in this video. And then when you flip the blow dryer to the front side, you see this cool shot setting, which is very important. So stay tuned and I will explain how I implement the cool setting in my routine. And lastly, here's a closer look at the diffuser we will be using today. It is shaped like a bowl, just how I like it. Alright, let's get started. So I already styled my hair, I already put my curling cream in. I'm just gonna show you now how I diffuse my hair. So tip number 4, you want to start from the roots. Don't start diffusing your hair from the ends. Start from the root because that is where your hair is the most soaked and the hardest to get dry. So as you can see, there is a setting to control the amount of ions you use in this blow dryer. So this is very unique and I have never seen this in any other blow dryer before. What this setting does is it will eliminate any frizz and it will get your hair looking very shiny, very smooth. If you have very thick hair like mine, you would use the turbo setting, which is what I'm going to use right now. And if you have thinner hair, I would recommend using the low setting. So I'm putting the ions on turbo, I am putting the maximum fan setting, and then the medium heat. Turbo Max is proven to dry up 35% faster than other leading brands, and some even cost 4 times as much as Turbo. So let's see if this is true. As I'm diffusing my hair, I'm making sure to use the cool shot setting that I mentioned earlier, because this will make the drying time go by so much faster when you alternate between hot and cold. Okay guys, I've only been doing this for 5 minutes and I can already feel that my roots are almost 100% dry, which is like unheard of. It usually takes me about 20 minutes to just get my roots dry. When they say this is the fastest blow dryer, period, they mean it's the fastest dryer, period. Now that I finished drying my roots, step number 5 is to flip my hair completely over and dry the ends by just putting them in the bowl and leaving the dryer there for like a minute in each section. Okay, let's get started. This blow dryer is so lightweight, so it didn't even make my arms hurt when I was blow drying my hair. And on top of that, the power cord is 9 feet long, so I never struggle wherever I plug it in. I always have space. Now for the final step, I'm just going to glide the blow dryer all over my hair while it's upright, and I'm gonna get my hair basically 90% dry. So if you guys look closely, you can see how my frizz is vanishing. If you just rewind back to the beginning of this video and compare my hair, the frizz is literally gone. Guys, I kid you not, I just did this entire process in under 10 minutes. 10 minutes! It usually takes me 30 minutes with all my other dryers to dry my hair, and most of the time I just give up and I just air dry the rest of it. But right now, this is my hair completely dry. So what I like to do when I finish this whole process is I like to take a little bit of oil, and today I'm just going to be using some argan oil that I picked up from Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna put a few drops in my hand and lightly put it on my hair. And that's the final look. It was that easy. If you just follow these steps, you are guaranteed to have flawless, voluminous, and defined curls in just 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time.